Hey, you trader nerds. How are y'all? It is Sweet Bobby. We are the trader nerds. Never trade alone. Trade with your friends. Trade with the trader nerds. Let's see. Y'all, the market does not look good at all. Down 0.22%. Here's the thing though, y'all, it looks really, really weak. The AD is just trending down. Getting close to that zero line. It's about to go down below the zero line. Were I a scalping man, if we go past and close beyond this little pivot point, the overnight low, then I would probably go short, thinking that we may go down even farther. We have a little bit of above average volume today, and interestingly enough, this looks ugly. We are fairly priced. But y'all, I don't see anything. We're below the 20 and the 50 moving exponential averages on the 30-minute chart, and it looks ugly. I don't see anything catching us until we get down to 44.05. Is it possible that we go down that low? We shall see. But if I were a betting man, that's my target if this continues. Now, let's look at the linear regression. And we lost the 50 simple moving average, 50-day simple moving average. Y'all, we lost it. We closed below it, right? Now, doesn't mean that we're not going to pop back above it, but y'all, it might be we theoretically could take a tumble. Let's look at what direction is doing, and let's look at the same point, and let's look at what volume is doing, right? So I would say volume's kind of, it's not like it's here's what I would hate to see. I'd hate to see this, right? And this going down, because that means, whoa, it could be ugly. But I don't think that that's the case. I think we'll probably catch here and pop back up. But if you are a hedging type, and if you are afraid of things happening, now is probably the time that I would say, if you want to hedge, hedge. Your ultimate hedge is your size, keeping your size small. Protect your assets in the event that this is a continuation downward. But I think we're fine. And two, when you're looking at our positions, let's go to the Crimson account, which we'll be looking at today. And let's just look before we break down the metrics. Remember, we're basically concerned with our naked puts, right? And so you want to see what the delta of those naked positions is, right? So, okay, so here's my naked puts. Oh, here's delta. Sorry, let me do it by delta. Yeah. So sort by delta. Remember, we don't really manage anything until these 9 deltas become a 30 delta. And there is nothing, y'all, that is in peril. There's nothing that I would say is in. What started out as 9 is now 14. Wang, Crimea River, right? So it's not that bad. So, but we keep an eye on it. Just want to make sure you know it's portfolio management, y'all. Your portfolio managers. This is your future. This is your money. This is your hedge fund, and treat it very, very seriously. So let's see how our little thing over here is doing, our little tasty account today. So our tasty account is at 38,818. 38,818. Let's put that in our pipe and smoke it. 38,818. So we're down a little bit. No biggie deal. 38,818. Well, we're down a good bit, aren't we? 38,818. Even though our positions are just fine. So we'll put that in 8/16/23. So down $782 from what, Monday? It's a pretty big move down. All right. But remember, we hadn't closed anything at a loss, and we still have a 97% probability of profit. I would like my, to be down here, my break even, but the market's gone down some, just part of it. So let's look at our Greeks and ratios. Our Greeks and ratios are 172, 113, 172, 113. So I got a little too many deltas, y'all. 172, 113. And the VIX is at this VIX at? VIX is at, I bet 16, isn't it? Yeah, VIX is at 16. Put that in. So our buying power usage is 18,377. 18,377. We don't want to go over 50%. So we're at 47%. So everything looks really good. I would like to trim my deltas down a little bit, and I'd like to trim my theta down a little bit. So remember, we don't record the trades in this account. So all I can do is close something. So we go to our positions. We got stuff with 2 days left. Probably not going to close anything there. Those are put debit spreads. And as you can see, they're up, 90 something dollars on the day. Let's go to these 44 days, something or others. And see if we can take something off for a profit. Let's see if we can. Yeah, here we go. Let's do P&L open percentage. All right, so we got one here that's 58% profitable. Let's just take these two nakeds off. Don't even know what they are. I'm just going to close them. Okay. Close them just to take a little bit off. Let's see if they'll get filled there at $9.75. So we probably sold that for $20 or $22. Sold it for $9.75. There we go. So just take a little off the top. That's portfolio management, y'all. That's what you do. You just take a little bit off the top. Okay, no big deal. All right, so let's go to the Crimson account. And let's see how bad we are on this one. Today is it's today the 18th or the 16th? It's the 16th. Oh, wait a minute. I'm in the wrong account. Hold on a second. Tasty account. Okay, that's right. I did that one. So let's close that one. So here we go. Let's see how we're doing in this account. Okay, 8/16/23. We expect to be down a little bit. No big deal. Now, this is going to freak you out. What's this? You're going to sit here and go, oh my God, Bobby, you're down a ton. What's this? I'm at 30,091, 30,092. 30,092. You go, oh my God, Bobby, you're down $2,924. Well, that's not the case because oh sweet Bobby had moved 2,000 out of this account. Let's see if this works. Let's see. No. Then I got to do, let's see, 30,000, no, 2,000. So I got to make this 31,000. 31,016. I think that's how I do it. Let's see, 31,016. There we go. That looks good. Negative 2,000. So we are still up 7.2% on the year. That's good. All right. So let's go to our Greeks and ratios here. See if there's anything to do. So over here, take our groups off. And we are at 135.75. 135.75. Excuse me. The garden bar is getting to me. 135.75. And remember, we're trying to keep this at 0.2 or less. So here we are at 16 on the thing. So buying power usage is 12.8. We'll just say 12.8. 12,800. See if that gets us closer to 50%. We're not there yet. So let's look at our trade tab. See if there's anything that we need to take off. Look at this. We got a closing signal, y'all. Let me get rid of all this crap. Let's get rid of all these closed things here. So it'll just show our open positions. Go blanks. We close all those for so say we need to close our, look at there, the day before the 4th of July, we need to close our 4,000 naked puts with 44 days left because we're halfway through, right? Is that the only thing? We got another close over there, but I'm probably just going to close one of them. So let's close the 4,000s with 44 days to go. Let's go find those. Put them in our pipe and smoke it. Smoke it, baby, smoke it. So 4,000s with 44 days to go. Here we go. 4,000s with 44 days to go. Let's cut. We got 2 sets of them, right? It really doesn't matter which one we take off, I don't think. So let's take these off. Take 2 of them off. Create closing order. Buy those back at 13. We're going to try 12.75 and fill me, baby. Yes, darling. Hallelujah. I'm going to play it.
Well, we're moving on now to the east side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Let's see if we got Ruby Tuesday money here or not. Let's see. So we cut out of this on 8/16/23. Took a little risk off. We were in that trade 44 days, and we made a hefty profit of $74.12, which is a little bit higher than the $28 that Beth and I spent for lunch today, including a 22% tip. How about that? So we could go there almost 3 times at Ruby Tuesdays and get the $7.99 salad bar on Garden Bar. Sorry, Garden Bar sounds much more sophisticated. So it made $74.12. That's how you do it. And what we did, keep in mind, what we did by taking that profit is we lowered our deltas, we lowered our theta, and we lowered our buying power a little bit. So what was 12.8 or so now is 12.1. And if you're really like, oh God, Bobby, what if the market keeps on going down? I'm scared. Well, you can close this one too. Just take a little risk off the top. No big deal. Let's see, are those the 4,000s too? But y'all, I ain't scared. Yeah, but those are our other 4,000s, right? Just saying that we could take those off. So good. I think there's nothing else to do. Any questions? Any comments? Everybody good? Oh, don't forget, I think we've only had 3 people enter the contest. If you go to Amazon and you buy the Kindle version of it's $0 if you got Kindle Unlimited, or it's $1.99. Buy Boston Possum Learns to Save, and then leave a outstanding review, and then send me a message saying, hey Bobby, I bought the book and I left a review. Here's what my review said. I will put you in the drawing for Friday for 3 hours of coaching sessions with me. So it's going to be good. So I'll get you all set up. We'll work on your spreadsheets. We'll work on your motivation. We'll work on all kinds of things. So if you want to do that to be in the running, we would love to do that on my book, Blossom Possum Learns to Save. All right, y'all. Great session. Short and sweet. I will see y'all tomorrow.